Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj. Thursday, August 9th, 2001, 8 am. As you can notice once again, the only possible and effective way to find serenity is to plunge inside yourself. In this preserved place, the turbulences of life are forgotten. Man of the present time, lost in the turmoil of an insane materialism, lets himself be influenced, losing his bearings. Some resort to drugs of all sorts to find mental stability. Chemistry by itself cannot solve everything. That would be too simple. The real cure is not that one. Serenity can be obtained only by plunging into the deepest of oneself. When this place is well known, explored, and frequented assiduously, it does provide peace. It is a blessing for man to have this sure refuge and to be able to find in there the strength to face life when it is difficult to stand. The best is in you. There lies your real life, protected and unique, since it, that is real life, is immortal. Nothing can affect its real essence here below. Don't lose sight of this truth. You are on a journey and anchored temporarily to a land of refuge, which is a summary of a movement of your eternity. It is up to you to make it bearable and constructive. Babuji Maharaj. Same day at 10 am. My dear son, your exile is not finished. Would you not start to enjoy life again? Will you? We ask you to do so. Do not forget that you made this choice to come and serve humanity. You then knew how gratifying but heavy it would be to hold it. Men are changing, unpredictable, and often deceitful and odious. Odious meaning unpleasant. Without this human characteristic, our action would be superfluous. We become incarnate to help men rise up above their sorry conditions. Therefore, we must undergo their negativity until the end. The work of each one of us has made the world advance in the right direction, but the work that remains to be completed is enormous. Comes the time when big upheavals will make things progress. We are preparing this work by our action at a subtle level. The basis must be in place before that big sweeping up happens. We are constantly working, like you, my son, on this immense setting up. Do not lose heart. We sustain you with love and in all possible ways. These messages are an example thereof. Through them, we want to express to you what cannot be humanly expressed, all that you can strongly feel in yourself, namely the power of our strength projected onto you. When distancing yourself from this human gong, that is ore from which mineral can be extracted from in a very less quantity, that sometimes weighs heavily on you. You feel all this life you are filled with, and that is moreover given to you. Plunge into this divinely animated water and get your strengths back. Fortify yourself and regain, while so immersing yourself, the vibratory power that characterizes you. You must go on until the end of the contract. Remain without fear. We watch over you. We do not ask of you the impossible. You are our precious and only representative on this earth, the one in whom we have put our total trust and hopes. You never disappointed us. Be strong, my son. We bless you and approve you in all. Your revered master, more attentive than ever to your person. Babuji Maharaj.